Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good morning. How are you? My name is Iftikhar Mumtaz Husnan. My last digit student number is 109. In this video and opportunity, I would like to inform you. I would like to describe this book. Actually, my hobby is learning language. I love learning language since I was kindergarten. This book belongs to UMM Press. This book was published by the Language Center of UMM. This book is specifically for language learners. You can see in front of the cover book this. This book looks white and red behind it, and the purpose of this book to give opportunity for students to develop their English skills communicatively and meaningfully. And this book also is written to fulfill students' learning needs based on their disciplines. Look at this. This book provides info about languages, dialects, phoneme, phonetics, etc. The most important is all about languages. Next, and the next step, what I'm gonna do is I would like to instruct you how to learn English step by step. Now, as we know that English is an international language, it is spoken all over the world. We must notice that English includes an international language. Even this language is the official language of the UNO or United Nations Organization. Here are instructions that I would give to you how to learn English step by step. First, start from pronunciation. Pronunciation is very important in learning English. Why? Because pronunciation helps you to improve your speaking. And speaking is the most important skills among 4 skills: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Speaking is a practical that is not an academic. So, to learn pronunciation, you must notice the IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet. International Phonetic Alphabet provides vowels, monophthong, diphthong, consonant, and it will help you how to sound the symbol of the phonetic. Second instruction is vocabulary. Vocabulary is very important. The next important steps, because vocabulary helps you to construct a sentence or a speech. Even though the sentence or the speech is mess, you can also have the skill of vocabulary. Third instruction, learning spelling. Spelling is also important because it helps you to avoid the misunderstanding words. And we must notice, in English we have homonym, homophone, homograph. You can learn it by searching references about it. And the last step is learning grammar. Grammar is not very important in speaking, but in writing skill, it is very important. Grammar is used for formal writing like thesis, script, essay, etc. The important is all about academic writing. Furthermore, grammar helps you how to make a sentence correctly or properly, because it needs formula, rules, and structure. I think that is video from me. I hope it is helpful. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.